Hello, class, and welcome to our video review of correctness, which essentially is dealing with homonyms, hyphens, capitalization, abbreviations, and numbers. So, when writing academic arguments, carefully structured research, you need to make sure that you carefully structure your words, right, properly. And the first thing you want to avoid, right, in sentence construction is making sure you use the right word, right? A homonym, words that sound the same but differ in meaning. And there's multiple pages of homonyms listed in your book, pages 1 to 10. Um, if you have any questions on any of them, let me know. Happy to explain further. Second thing, correctness stresses. Hyphens. When you're using two words together to make one. Now that's a very specific situation, right? Compound words, two separate things. It's a printing press, right? But when it's a hyphenated compound, it's an eye opener, right? Because, right, a car wash, car is its own thing, wash is its own thing, right? So it's a place where you go to wash your car, a car wash, but something like an eye opener, a check in, a free for all. So when you want to put two words together to mean one idea, specifically used a hyphen, and then closed compounds are written as a single word. Um, so you can kind of further investigate. I'll provide the link on the page with this video as well. Capitalization, right? Boy, oh boy. Please make sure you capitalize the letter I. I know with this modern technology, a lot of people, you know, like to write in all lowercase and so on and so forth. And that's fine when you're drafting. That's fine when you're free writing. That's fine when you're stream of consciousness writing in that stream of consciousness manner, right? But please follow capitalization rules. The first words of a document and the first word after a period. And when you're copying the titles of the secondary sources, make sure you reprint the title exactly as they did with capitalization. And when you're copying quotes, make sure you're capitalizing correctly. If they have a word capitalized, make sure you capitalize it as well. And then obviously proper nouns and things of that nature. But the biggest issue with capitalization is people don't follow the rules for titles, follow the rules for quotes, and capitalize the letter I. So please make sure you avoid those sloppy mistakes when constructing your academic argument. It's okay to not capitalize when you're writing for pleasure. However, formal academic argument essays need to follow the rules of capitalization and the rules of abbreviations. Um, Acronyms, right? Formed by using the first letter of each word. You know, I'm a big fan of acronyms. I always write out ROT, right, for rules of thumb readings. I always write out EAA for everything's an argument readings. So acronyms and abbreviations are very helpful. Just make sure you follow the rules as well as listed in the book and as listed on this website. It's logos, people, right? I didn't come up with them, so don't blame me. This is MLA and proper format. And then lastly, writing numbers. So here's the deal: anything over 20, right? Because everything up to 20 is one word. So when you're using two words to make one word, right? Hyphenate. So that rule applies with compound numbers: 21, 43, 54, right? Hyphenate them. So whenever you're using all compound numbers from 21 through 99, right? Hyphenate all written out fractions, right? But with figures of 4 or more digits, use commas, right? Etc. So make sure you follow the rules listed in the book. And if you want to examine this online document, I'll put the link as well. Correctness is important, right? Remember, when you put your name on something and you turn it in, um, it's kind of a big deal, right? You're going to get a letter grade on that. You're putting your name on it. You're turning it in. You're saying, this is my submission of this assignment. So please make sure that you take the time to proofread for correctness and in specific, right? These 5 ideas mentioned in the reading. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you found this helpful, and write with confidence.